Hello there. So right now we're over here at a project that we're adding a dedicated circuit. I believe it's going to be for like a chest freezer or something like that. But Bernard and Terrence are inside. Let's run in here and see what they got going on. And Bernard's just cutting in the single gang cut-in box. There was a stud right off to the side there that he was dodging. The opening here is 34? Yes. Okay, yeah, so that's only 28, so it'll actually fit perfect. And a little bit of room for it to breathe, because they need to breathe behind, too. Yeah? Yeah. They got a drop chain? Nice. Oh, what's the wattage on this bad boy? Wow. 1.8 or 1.4 amps at 115 volts.
Yeah, that's not.
Yeah. But still gotta have it dedicated on it, so. Do you have an 8-foot bottom glass or no?
8 foot?
Yeah. Going up.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, I just think.
Oh, those are sticky traps?
You hear that?
Yep. It's right over there.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see the
And then
corner.
follow it back.
Okay. Top.
Do you see the middle, like pretty much the dead center? Tap again, Terrence?
Yep, I see it.
And then if you put your hand, you should be able to
Feel it, yeah.
where he's tapping.
Top it again, Terrence.
It's probably about 8 inches back
Yep,
towards you.
right here.
Oh, you got it?
I feel it on the money.
A little more
Dead
check.
center right here.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep. Okay, Terrence.
Okay.
You can stop. Yeah, I know where it's at. Yep. So.
All right, tap your thing again.
Top it, Terrence. Okay, I can see it.
Stop. Don't move.
Don't move it. Keep it right there. Pull back slowly. Slowly.
Pull it back real slow.
Alrighty. Got it.
Nice. This attic ain't too bad at all.
No.
What's going on with that?
It is.
I mean, I'll take a nap up here with how cool it is.
Yeah.
And then is there a spare pipe going down the panel?
I'd have to check.
That 3/4 there, or is that a 1/2 inch or?
1/2 inch. Yep, it's a 1/2 inch right here.
It's empty. Nice. Perfect.
Money.
Money. Every now and then you get lucky like that. You want me to push it up that one?
Yeah, I think it's better though.
Yep, because then you could push it right down. Yep. All right. This is the last of the roll. Still on, right? Nice. All you guys that pull Romex on a regular basis know exactly what I'm talking about. Pull it off this thing, it will corkscrew. You know what I'm saying? I can't stand it when I'm trying to make up a twisted up Romex. Terrence is usually on the commercial projects, so he doesn't pull Romex very much. That's why I mention it to him. Man, did we get lucky with that empty 1/2 inch EMT running up to the attic. It's a little bit of a tight spot right there with a door on one side and a corner on the other, so it would have been a pain to fish up there with all the existing Romex. So, got lucky on that one. Ready up there? What's that? Yes, sir. All right.
Got it. So, yo T, you can have me a electrical tape?
You need tape?
Let me get it. Don't throw it.
Right here, you'll see a Romex staple on top of the catwalk, aka rat run.
No.
You're not supposed to do that for this exact reason, because he's got nowhere to put his weight and has to avoid stepping on the wire.
We got waters from yesterday though. It's still cold. Yep. Okay, T. Yep. No, I need some more. Hold on, Terrence. Let me get the slap. Hold on. All right, pull, Terrence. Hold on. Don't nip it yet. Let me make sure. Pull it.
Okay, I got it. Oh yeah, it was pretty well taped. Good to go. Here, I'll pull the slack back to the panel. It's perfect? Yeah. All right, nice. Bernard just going to staple it down and we're good to go up here. While we were in the process of making up the outlet and the panel side, I noticed that the bus bar was heavily pitted and corroded, either from some sort of a chemical or maybe just overheating, but either way, it wasn't good, and we let the customer know, and she wanted to have it replaced.
Yeah, the bus bar looks a little... Yeah. Oh yeah, we got some stuff heating up. I mean, the color of it, and we're going to recommend... Yeah.
Oh shit.
What?
Oh, I
No,
opened it.
I already got one. I just wanted to add one back. It was a cool.
Okay, my bad. Sorry.
Well, I turned it off.
Oh, sorry.
No, the fan, because I can hear you up there. Definitely better with it on. Here, use the ear. Well, next time use the ear right here to break, snap your tape off.
That's just a little trick I use when I'm taping up outlets, because especially when it's a live outlet, you don't want to be fumbling around with the tape.
Make sure the bare ground's pushed all the way to the back, so it won't ever get away anything.
When I was looking at the panel just a second ago with the thermal camera, you could definitely see where the lugs bolt up from the main breaker kit to the bus bar. They were getting pretty hot too.
You have a measuring razor on the truck? Or you're gonna rag or something to get
Yeah, it's a rag in front. Need a rag?
sort of the line for us.
Yeah, right on the top. Great.
Just
No.
damp it
On
with
the
water.
on the
And it's kind of cooler, just dip it, you know what I'm saying?
on the dash tray. Travel.
I can't make it up for the ceiling here.
Huh?
Bernard jumped and pretty much put his palm on this 10-foot ceiling.
Yeah, that hurt? No.
Let me see if I can do it. Come on.
It was pretty impressive.
You did it.
Ah, it's like that.
I could almost touch my fingers.
Yeah, he jump.
You played basketball.
He would, he's like an inch shorter than me though.
Dang. He got good.
Yeah.
Tops.
Yeah. He could do a standing backflip.
It's not all those calves.
Yep, he did.
You gotta have abs too.
What's that?
It's not all those legs. You gotta have abs too.
True.
Okay, cool.
There was, and he did a standing backflip at my Aunt Ellen's wedding when I was a kid. I remember it. And the ceiling, I remember, was low. It wasn't.
His foot was closed.
Yeah, so he like stayed in one spot. And it's on video too, old grainy video. This ain't coming off too good.
Not really. I'm lighting
Is
it.
there any cleaning product out here?
Windex. Is there
Yeah, let's put it.
is that an all-purpose solution, man?
Just put a little bit of liquid tire, bro.
Yeah, just touch the rag in there. That's way too much, probably. That fan, the DeWalt fan, I want to open that present early. And she's like, when do you want to open it? And I said, so you did get it? And she said, yup. And I could have brought it today. I didn't open it yet. Yeah.
Well, your birthday was last month, right?
No, it's coming up. 15th.
Yeah.
My sister Juliana's is the 16th.
Could you believe me and Caesar on the same day, bro?
You and Caesar,
Yeah.
same birthday?
Yeah. That was crazy. You showed me his driver's license.
Yeah.
So these back in here are pitted and corroded pretty badly. Almost like some kind of a chemical got on there. So we told the customer about it. We're gonna swap this out. It should look the same as like that, but there's like these little pits in it. I don't know what kind of chemical could have done that, but it ain't great. Yeah, see, it should look like that. Definitely not with little dents and corrosion on it like that. It could just be heat damage from getting red hot. Either way, it should be replaced. It's definitely not going to get better, and it will probably get worse.
So,
11, I think. Well, that'll work. I also discounted it heavily from its normal cost because we were already there, so she's paying it less than half what it would normally be. So the little corners of the split bolt won't wear through, you know what I'm saying? I was just talking with Bernard about how to make up a split bolt, what we used to use before Polaris taps, and you got to make sure you use the cloth tape before the rubber tape. They're definitely not nearly as good as a Polaris tap, but that's all we used to use, so they did work, but you had to be real careful. You made a real good connection with it. You want to make sure you don't break these little plastic retainers because it's one of the ways the breaker's held on, and it's real easy to break them. So you see right there, that's why we did it. It's like pitted and corroded. Very strange. And I'm torquing these down to 12.5 foot-pounds, which is 150 inch-pounds, what the specs require. But this torque wrench only does foot-pounds, so you got to do the conversion.
testing the dedicated circuit.
I torqued these ones too, but it was off camera. How was that banana bread, Terrence? How was that banana bread?
Great.
Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect timing, too.
Yeah.
Right when I needed it.
That's one way to do it.
And I gotta say, whoever's waiting for that thing to crush me, I'm sorry for the shameless clickbait.
All right.
Yep.
Should be good.
Bernard and Terrence are just cleaning up in there. I got a meeting to get to a little bit later today. I'm glad we were able to get that main breaker situation spotted and fixed for the customer, because that could have been pretty bad and dangerous. Also, we got the freezer in place for her. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.